If you're looking for a very cheap foreign used cars to buy, I promise you'll find it in this video.
So my name is James Nwabeze. Welcome to St. James Motors.
Today we are here at St. James Motors to check out the prices of affordable foreign used cars for you to buy. The prices of these cars are very affordable and negotiable. This is a foreign used Lexus GS460 2016 model, and the price of this car is 53 million naira and is slightly negotiable.
And my phone number is 080.
So watch this video to the end, make a choice, and call the phone number inside this video to contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation. This is a foreign used Mercedes ML350 Formatic 2013 model, and the price of this car is 30 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Wait, don't make payments for any of these cars until you've done your physical inspection and test drive. This is a foreign used Lexus GS460 2013 model, and this car is going for 38 million naira and is slightly negotiable. For more interesting videos like this, like and share this video, follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel now. This is a foreign used Lexus GS460 full option 2014 model. V8 engine capacity, very fast, strong and durable, no dent, and is accident free. Whoa, what a beautiful luxury interior. Take a look at it with a leather seat, and AC pops up from this seat right here. And here we have the neat dashboard, the AC, reverse camera, sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders. Hold on, pigeonhole is right here, and it comes with 4-pin auxiliary and it's keyless. Buttons control on the steering, and it has an open roof. This is the back seat view of this car with 3 clean headrests. The AC controller is right here. The AC vent is on the roof. It has an armrest with 2 cup holders. All right, take a look at the third row seat made of 2 headrests. Oh wow, 2014 model, full option. It has a reverse camera, and the price of this baby is 58 million naira, slightly negotiable. Do you buy and swap cars?
No, I didn't swap, but I used to buy.
Okay.
I don't swap.
This is the foreign used Lexus ES350 2010 model, 2GRF V6 engine capacity, accident free car. Okay, beautiful creamy leather interior. Take a look at the seat. AC pops up from this seat right here, and we have the neat dashboard, the AC, reverse camera, sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders. The pigeonhole is right here, and it has a thermostat and buttons control on the steering, and it has an open roof. All right, this is the back seat view with 3 clean headrests, and it comes with an AC at the back here. This is the armrest, and it has some beautiful Formica designs on the door. 2010 model. It has a reverse camera, and the price of this car is 13.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Are your cars stolen cars?
No, to Fiacqua. No, it's not my portion. I don't try such.
Foreign used Toyota Forerunner 2015 model. V6 engine capacity, no dent, accident free. Okay, here we go. The beautiful black interior of this car. The seat is made of black leather, and this is a neat dashboard, the AC, reverse camera, sound system, automatic transmission. The cup holder is right here. This is a pigeonhole. Wow, it's keyless, and buttons control on the steering, and it has an open roof. Okay, this is the back seat view with 3 beautiful headrests and AC at the back here. It also comes with the armrest. 2015 model. It has a reverse camera, and the price of this car is 37 million naira and is slightly negotiable. So where do you get your cars from?
All my cars from America. All of my cars from America. This
is a foreign used Toyota Camry 2016 model. It's extra luxury edition. 2GRF V6 engine capacity, very fast, strong and reliable. Wow, amazing black leather interior of this car. Take a look at it. Oh, the dashboard is so neat. The AC, reverse camera, sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders. The pigeonhole is right here, and it's keyless. Woo. Okay, these are buttons control on the steering, and it has an open roof. All right, this is the back seat view made of 3 clean headrests and AC at the back here. It also comes with the armrest. with 2 cup holders. Full option 2016 model, extra luxury edition. It has a reverse camera, and this baby is going for 17.5 million naira. Do you rent cars?
I do rent only if I will rent. Let's do the Zoom wedding.
Okay.
Because after, I will look for one driver that will drive that car and pay my car back because of any dents or something. I'm not saying I don't rent cars.
This is a foreign use Mazda CX-9 2013 model. V6 engine capacity, 24 valves, and is accident free. Wow, this is a beautiful black leather interior. Take a look at the seat. AC pops up from this seat right here. Take a look at it, and that is a dashboard. The AC, reverse camera, sound system, automatic transmission. This is the cup holder, 2 cup holders. The pigeonhole is right here. Pigeonhole is right here. Buttons control on the steering, and it has an opened roof. All right, this is a back seat view made of 3 clean headrests, and the AC is right there with the AC controller with a DVD head player on the seat. Armrest with 2 cup holders. All right, take a look at the third row seat with 2 beautiful headrests. All-wheel drive 2013 model. It has a reverse camera, and the price of this car is 12 million naira, and it's still negotiable. So do you accept instrumental payment?
I want cash and carry.
Cash and carry?
Yes. You pay me cash, you transfer my money, you carry your car.
This is another Toyota Sienna foreign use 2012 model, extra luxury edition. V6 engine capacity, 2G RFE, is accident free. All right, take a look at the beautiful interior made of leather. Take a look at the seat. The beautiful dashboard, so neat. The AC, reverse camera, sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders. The pigeonhole is right here. Buttons control on the steering, and it has an opened roof. Back seat view made of 3 clean headrests. It comes with an AC controller on the roof, and the AC vent is right here. It also comes with a DVD head player on the roof. Okay, take a look at the third row seat with 3 clean headrests. It comes with a reverse camera, 2012 model, extra luxury edition, and this car is going for 18 million naira, and it's still negotiable. Are the prices of your cars negotiable?
Yes, why not? Why not? Yes, why not? It's negotiable now.
This is another foreign use Toyota Camry 2009 model, extra luxury edition, full option. 2G RFE V6 engine capacity, very fast. The catalyst is intact, no dents, accident free. All right, this is the beautiful interior of this car made of leather. Take a look at the seat right here, the neat dashboard, the AC, reverse camera, Android screen, sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders. The pigeonhole is right here, and it's keyless. It has a sealed roof. All right, the back seat view made of 3 clean headrests, and it also comes with the armrest right here. 2009 model. It has a reverse camera, extra luxury edition, and the price of this car is 8 million naira, and it's slightly negotiable. What is the price of the cheapest car you have here in your dealership?
What happened is that the only car, the cheapest car is only Spider. Camry. That one go for 9 million now.
9 million naira.
Yes.
Okay. This is a foreign used Lexus ES350 2010 model. 2G RFE V6 engine capacity, fast and strong. Okay, we have a beautiful black interior made of leather, and take a look at the dashboard. So amazing. The AC, reverse camera, sound system, automatic transmission. We have 2 cup holders, thumb start, buttons control on the steering, and it has an open roof. All right, an amazing view of the back seat with 3 beautiful headrests. It comes with an AC at the back. It also has a armrest. 2010 model. It has a reverse camera, and the price of this car is 13 million 8, and is slightly negotiable. Why are the prices of foreign used cars going up these days?
Yeah, it's not our fault. You see how the country is. You see how our president turned the country upside down. So price now, the car doesn't have stable price. So that's how the car is now. Check dollar and every other thing there. So, you know.
This is another foreign used Toyota Forerunner 2015 model. V6 engine capacity here, and it's accident free. Of course, we always give you accident free car. All right, take a look at the interior, made of leather. The seat is right here with leather, and the dashboard, the AC, sound system, reverse camera, automatic transmission. We have the cup holder here, the pigeonhole, very big, a thumb start, the steering and buttons control on it, and it has an open roof. Okay, take a look at the back seat view, made of 3 clean headrests, and the AC is right here at the back. It also comes with an armrest right here. A 2015 model. It has a reverse camera, and this car is going for 37 million naira. And don't forget, it is still negotiable. Do you do car delivery service to your buyers?
Definitely, yes.
Toyota Sienna 2007 model, extra luxury edition. 2G RFE V6 engine capacity, very fast and strong, accident free. Alright, take a look at this beautiful interior made of leather, and we also have the dashboard right there, the AC, sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders, the pigeonhole is right here. This is the steering, and it has an opened roof. 2 clean headrests with armrests by the side of the seat, and it comes with the 2 cup holders behind, and the AC controller is on the roof, and the AC vent is also on the roof. It comes with a DVD head play on the roof as well. Take a look at the third row seat with 3 beautiful headrests. 2007 model, extra luxury edition, and the price of this car is 8.5 million naira, and is still negotiable. This is a foreign used Toyota Sienna full option 2013 model, extra luxury edition. V6 engine capacity, very fast and strong, accident free car. Okay, we have a beautiful leather interior. Take a look at the seat. It's made of leather, and it also comes with an armrest by the side. And we have the dashboard looking so neat, the AC, reverse camera, sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders, the pigeonhole is right here. Wow, it's keyless. Take a look at it. It's keyless. These are buttons on the steering, and it has an open roof. Okay, take a look at the back seat view, looking so amazing and beautiful with 3 sweet headrests. Here we have AC controller on the roof, and the AC vent. It comes with a DVD head player on the roof. Okay, take a look at the back seat, the third row seat with 3 beautiful headrests. And 2013 model, full option, extra luxury edition, and it has a reverse camera, and this baby is going for 18 million naira, and it's slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Lexus LX570 2015 model, and the price of this car is 50 million naira, and it's slightly negotiable. Please ensure that everything is working perfectly well before you make any payment.
Yeah, so my name is James Mwabeze. Welcome to St. James Motors, and my phone number is 080-6000-4996. But my WhatsApp number is that one, same thing. So 080-6000-4996. That's my WhatsApp number. United Beggar Motors, Beggar Yard, Lagos State, here is Nigeria. Camry, Mercedes-Benz, and all my cars is full options.